Hi, I'm Manuel with MV Overland Outfitters, and today we'll be working on my sway bar links.
Here is our driver's side sway bar link. As you can see, the bolt is missing, which is why we had to get a whole new bolt. We were up in Ocala, driving on some really bumpy roads, about 20-30 miles an hour, and we're thinking the bolt might have slipped off, came undone, or broke. But either way, today we're gonna fix it. So here's what we need. We got our bushings from Moog Steering and Suspension that we got at our local auto parts store. It came with the bushings and the bolt. We bought the nuts and the washers separately.
The bushings on the bolt should be facing towards each other, like so.
Once the bolt is in place, tighten with the 3/4 inch wrench or socket. And there you have it. Your sway bar link is complete.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and share us on any social media platforms.